You may not know it, but some common medications that doctors prescribe to us every single day can weaken your erection or even cause an erectile dysfunction. In fact, an estimated 25% of all ED is a side effect of drugs, according to the Harvard Special Health Report on Erectile Dysfunction. In this video, I will reveal 5 most common medications that can lead to ED and what you can do about it. An erection happens when the penis fills with blood. This made possible by a complicated system of nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. When you are turned on, your brain sends the signal to your penis, making your muscles relax and the blood vessels widen. This lets the blood flow into the penis, giving you an erection. Certain drugs can mess up this process by making the nerves, muscles, and blood vessels in a penis not working correctly. This leads to ED. The first class of medications that hurt your erection are antidepressants. Antidepressants work by boosting a specific chemical in the brain like serotonin and norepinephrine. These chemicals help to control things like the mood, sleep, even how well your private parts work. But some antidepressant medications like SSRIs, SNRIs, Prozac, Paxil, and Zoloft can mess up with the chemical called dopamine, which also affects how well things are working in a bedroom. This can sometimes cause a weak erection. If you're having these issues because of your antidepressant medications, please talk to your doctor about switching you to different ones that wouldn't give you these side effects. The second one is antihistamines. They work by blocking an effect of histamine, a chemical our body releases when we are having allergy. By blocking the effects of histamine, a chemical that is involved in various body functions, they also hurt the sexual function. Drugs like Benadryl, Dramamine, Vestaril, and Phenergan. It's important to note that the risk of ED from antihistamines is generally low. However, the risk may be higher in older men and the men that have other health conditions, such as heart disease or diabetes. The next one is antihypertensive medications. They cause the weak erection because antihypertensive work by lowering the blood pressure, and therefore it decreases the blood flow to the penis. Some high blood pressure medications that can also lead to erectile dysfunctions are beta blockers. They block the adrenaline effect, which can reduce the blood flow to the penis. Another one is diuretics. They make your body lose water and salt, which can also affect the blood flow to the penis. And the last one is alpha antagonists. Central alpha antagonists, they relax the blood vessels in the brain, which can also reduce the blood flow to the penis. It's worth mentioning that some other blood pressure medications like ACE inhibitors may actually help men with their erections. This drug can make blood flow to the penis better, therefore reduce symptoms of ED. By the way, if you are having problems with weak erection or erectile dysfunction and actively looking for an alternative solution to what you've been offered so far, feel free to sign up for a free consultation in my office in New York. The fourth type of medications are opioids. These are strong pain relievers that stop the pain signal from getting into your brain. Opioids can decrease testosterone level and interfere with the release of dopamine. This can lead to erectile dysfunction. Some of the most common opioids that can lead to erectile dysfunctions are morphine, oxycontin, hydroxycontin, methadone, and fentanyl. The chance of getting ED from opioids is most likely when you're taking them for a long time. If you are taking opioids and you cannot get an erection, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor about this issue. They may be able to lower your dose or perhaps give you a different medication that's less likely to cause an ED. Last but not least, acid reflux medications. And here we're specifically talking about Atagament. It's the only acid reflux medication that has been definitively linked to erectile dysfunction. This medication is older and not as commonly prescribed today, but you can still get it without a prescription over the counter. Other acid reflux medications have not been shown to cause erectile dysfunction in any clinical trials. Some things you can do to lower the chance of getting a weak erection or erectile dysfunction from medication. When you start taking some medicine, it is essential to talk to your healthcare provider about any potential side effects they may have on erection. If you're using any of the medications I talked about and have been experiencing symptoms of erectile dysfunction, discuss with your doctor if you can switch to different medication, perhaps one that is not causing erectile dysfunction, or maybe taking a smaller dose if it's possible. Always think about the pros and cons of taking any of the medications. Use the smallest amount you need. Don't mix pills with alcohol or other things that can make you feel drowsy. Exercise regularly and eat healthy diet. Quit smoking if you do. Use medications for shortest possible time. Even if you are taking some of the medications we discussed above, remember there's a great supplements out there that you can take to help you improve and maintain a healthy erection. I personally have been taking one of these great supplements for a while and I love its effects. In this video, I will tell you all you need to know about all of the great supplements and how they can help you. Watch this video if you want to improve your erection.